Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Catherine. I'm a YouTuber based in Asaba, Delta State, Nigeria. If you have been watching me for a while, you might probably notice a different background. Yay! That is because baby girl is in her new kitchen. Anyway, see, this kitchen is so cute that it will be greedy for me not to show you all. It will be greedy for me not to do a kitchen tour. So expect my kitchen tour soon. Yes guys, expect my kitchen tour soon because this kitchen screams Catherine. This kitchen screams my name. Everything about this kitchen defines me. This kitchen is so cute for just my eyes, or for just the eyes of people around me, people in this house. So do expect a kitchen tour soon, okay? Guys, I'm going to be unboxing my new kitchen cookware. I wanted to say review, but no, not review because I haven't used any of them. They are all new, still in their carton, you know. I haven't used them, so I'll be unboxing them with you all. Let us get right into it. So these are the cookwares I will be unboxing. Yeah, guys, to be honest, I've had them for over 6 weeks. I bought them while we're still in our previous home. I think I showed you all when I went to pick it up from the logistic in one of my vlogs. I will leave it up on the screen if I remember, okay? So I've had them for over 6 weeks. I tried my best not to use them because I didn't want to use them in my previous home. I wanted to move into this place, into this new place, you know, with new kitchen cookwares and all that. That doesn't mean I still don't have my old wares. I do have them, but you know, I mean, I will be starting off. Okay, let me just start off with this, the kettle. I'll be starting off with this one. Okay, this is a kettle. What's the name? I didn't badge or whatever. Let me show you guys. The reason I got this kettle is because it's so cute. Guys, this kettle is so cute. I saw the white, but I was scared because I don't know if it will get stained. In fact, it definitely will get stained, you know, very quick. I decided to go for the black. It's so cute. I got this for 12,000 naira. I will also be leaving the prices on the screen in case I make any mistake with them. I got it from the same store I bought these enamel cast iron skillets. Okay, I got them from the same store with these. Let me just unbox these ones together. So these are enamel cast iron skillets. Okay, one thing about cast irons is that they are quite really pricey and at the same time very heavy. Like this is so heavy. This came in two. Okay, they came in two. This is the small one. This is a 9 inches. Yes, this is the 9 inches, and this I have to tear it out. I have to tear it. It's so heavy, guys. Like I said, this is so heavy. This is 13 inches and this is so heavy. Like, trust me, I'm not even going to allow anybody to touch this thing. If I'm not there, no one should use my skillets. I got 2 of these for both of them. I got both of them for 35,000 naira. I also got this cutlery from the same person I got this skillet from. These are forks. There are 6 here. These 2, I think I got them for 6,000 naira. I'll put the prices on the screen because I've forgotten. Like I said, these things are over 6 weeks, so I've forgotten their prices. This spoon is so cute. It's so cute. These forks too, they are just so cute. So I am done with the stuff I got from the same person. I got this from an IG vendor, affordable kitchen utensils, something like that. I'll put the handle on the screen. Okay, so this out of my way, let me show you guys. See, I'm super excited. You know the funny thing, I haven't opened this stuff at all. As a matter of fact, this was kind of, ta-da! Oh my god, this is so cute. This is the lid, so heavy. Okay, this is the lid. This is just so heavy. Let me check the size. I think this is the 20, this is 26 cm size. It came with this manual, which I will definitely go through, because enamel cast iron is not a child's play. Like, they are kind of difficult to use. So you have thrown away the carton. This is the 26 cm measurements, and look at the interior. I got the black one. I don't want the white one because I don't want any stain. Okay, so guys, this thing is so heavy. Let me try putting the cover on top. Oh my god, this is so heavy. The main reason I decided to buy enamel lead cast iron is because they are so cute. They comes in different colors. You got to choose any color you prefer. They are just so cute. Okay, and aside from this particular reason, these cookwares are very nice. Like, they don't rust. They come pre-seasoned. They are very good for our health. They don't have any toxic of any kind. They are just so good, so good. I've heard a lot of reviews about them, so let me show you guys this one too. And this is the blue. This one is the blue. These two colors, red and blue, I love them so much, so I had to go for them. And I think this is a 26 cm because this is bigger than the other one. It also came with this book manual, and yeah. A black interior as well. See, I'm not going to allow anybody in this house to touch any of these cookwares because they are pricey. I got these 28 cm for 44,000 naira, and these 26 cm I got for 38,000 naira. I got them from an IG vendor, Cookware Deal NG. Okay, and lastly, this one, I still have some items I bought that I get to get here because they are from AliExpress. This is juice extractor, I guess, juice extractor. Guys, I have the electric juice extractor. For some reasons, I still do not understand why I bought this manual one, because I have the electric one that I barely use. I think I haven't used that electric one more than 3 times ever since I got it for over a year now. I don't think I've used it more than 3 times. Then I decided to buy this manual one. I just pray I will use this. Okay, I got this from Jumia. And yeah guys, one of the things I love about these enamel cast iron cookwares is that they last forever. Like, they last forever when you take care of them, when you follow the instruction it came with. Okay, so I am so looking forward to cooking with them. I am so looking forward to cooking sumptuous meals with them. I am so looking forward to not allowing anyone in this house to touch them, because I am so gonna do that. I am so gonna do that. Okay, I have read that it comes pre-seasoned. I don't even know what that means, but I'm so looking forward to seeing what it means. So guys, yeah, that is it for this video. Please do give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Share this video, please do share this video, and see you in my next one. Bye bye.